What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing the Black Panther from Marvel Rivals. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page. We're going to work our way around the eyes and up towards the top of the head. So let's start right in the center with a straight line going across. From the ends, angle is down and then out. Let's curve the top of the eyelid. We're going to go up and bend that out towards the sides. Now I want to work our way up towards the top point of the ears. We're going to start by going out and then bend that straight up towards the top. I just want to line that up on the right side. From the top, let's angle the ears coming down and in towards the top of the head. And then round out the head. We're going to go up and then bend that down. Let's add a trim along the outside. From the point, we're going to step in. Just going to trace that curve, down and in. I'm just going to taper this in and then down towards this point. Let's add another trim from these 2 points, and this down and then in. And this in towards the bottom. And then from here, draw 2 straight lines coming down. Let's add a thick trim along the inside, down. I'm going to start to taper this, coming in, and then out towards the side. Let's tuck the eyes in underneath. We're going to connect these 2 points with a curve for the eye, coming down and then in. Now underneath the ears, we're going to draw a straight line coming down towards the jaw. And we'll curve the jaw, coming down and then in towards the chin. Let's flatten off the chin with a straight line. Now let's add more detail to the face. We're going to start from the left side. I want to bend this down underneath the eye, and then in towards the center, towards a point. Go out, and then up towards the right. Now in the center, we're going to add a point. Down, and then back up. Let's go over towards the side, coming down and in towards the corners of the chin. Let's add a trim. We'll start from the outside, trace that curve coming in, taper that toward that inside line. Now I'm going to add another trim across the jaw. Starting from this point, angle is up and then in. Step in, come down, and just taper towards the bottom of the jaw. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We start on the left side, curve the body coming down and then in towards the hip. Line this up on the right, coming down and then in. Now I want to create a point. Angle is down and in with a straight line towards the center of the body and then back up. From this point, we're going to step down, add a curve, going up and then down. Let's leave a gap in the center. Go to the left side, we're going to bend the leg going out and down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Now we're going to round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start from the left heel, curve the foot, coming down and up towards the first claw. Let's draw the first claw. From the edge of the foot, we're going to go up, bring that down towards the tip, curve that back in towards the bottom of the foot. Now I'm going to layer 2 more claws on either side. Let's start from the top, we're going to go up, bend that down, and just tuck that in behind the side, and do that one more time. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's go to the top of the last claw. We're going to curve the foot, going up, and then bend that down towards the heel. Now we're going to go back up to the hips and draw the outside leg. Let's start with the left side. We're going to go out and then bend that down on top of the feet. Let's add a trim across the ankle. We're going to step up, bend this in, angle this up towards the inside of the leg. Let's add some detail to the legs. We're going to start on the left side, bend this down, and then in. And then from this point, we're going to curve this up and then out. Let's add a point along the outside of the knee, coming down and then up. Then we'll add one more detail along the inside. From this line, curve this down and in, and then taper that back up. Now let's move back up to the top and draw the inside edge of the arms. We're going to start from the side of the body, then the arm going out, and then down towards the wrists. From the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb, and then close off the end with a bracket. Now you want to add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the bottom of the thumb. We're going to come down, and then that up, step down, add the second finger, coming down, and then up. Now the third finger, we're going to go all the way around the arm, and just pull that up about halfway. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going around the bracket, add the second finger, and then the third going up towards the same height. Let's add that detail across the forearm. We're going to start from the top, go straight down, and then angle that back out. Now I'm going to leave a small gap and draw another diamond shape. We're going to go up and then down to create a point, and come down towards the bottom. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going up towards the top point, and create a point across the bottom. Now let's connect these 2 points with a curve. Go to that inside point and bend this down towards the inside of the forearm. Now I want to add a thick band going around. So we step up, follow that same curve across the top, and then the bottom. Now from this point, we're going to step down, bend the arm, go up and then in towards the shoulder, round up the shoulder, going up and then in towards the side of the head. Now let's go back and add some detail across the body. We're going to start in the center, underneath the chin, we're going to add a point, coming down and then up. Let's add a small point across the top. Now we're going to add these points coming around the jaw. Let's start with the left, curve this down and in, and then taper that back up underneath. And we're just going to mirror this over on the right side. Let's add a couple more on either side. Now underneath that point, we're going to add a curve for the chest. We're going to go up and in behind, continue down on the right. Now let's go to the side of the body. Angle this down and in. Bend this down and then in towards the waist. Now I want to trace this along the outside. Angle this in and then taper down toward the point. I'm going to go back to the chin and add one more detail. Starting from here, we're just going to add a hook going up and out, and then taper down towards the chin. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw the Black Panther from Marvel Rivals. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.